I'm going to talk about NumPy today. NumPy is numerical Python and utilizes arrays in its operations. Lists cannot be processed quickly, and this is where arrays provide a great boost to performance. Array is an object which is used in NumPy. Array function helps create array object called ndArray. Let's do an example in Python. Let's import NumPy first. We have created an array using the array function and provided the values 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 to the array function. Here we are printing the values of the array A using the print function. Let's verify the type of object A. ndArray. Let's utilize a tuple to make an array. We'll use the array function to convert this tuple into an array B. Print the values of object B. Similarly, we can utilize any similar object to convert into ndArray using the method before. Nested array is an array which has other arrays as its constituents. Dimension in an array can be counted as a nested array. Zero-dimensional array is a single constituent in an array. Here, 10 would be a zero-dimensional array in itself, and so would be each constituent of object B here. One-dimensional array has zero-dimensional arrays as its constituents. So B entirely would be a one-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array has one-dimensional array as its constituents. Here, object Z would be a two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array can be used to denote matrices. We can verify the number of dimensions an array has using ndim attribute. Let's do an example in Python. We have created objects x, y, z, and f using the array function. Check the number of dimensions x has 0. Y has one dimension. As you can see here, it mostly has zero-dimensional arrays as its constituents. Z has two dimensions. Here is the Z object values. The object F here has three dimensions as it has two-dimensional array as each of its constituents. Get a constituent in an array using index is similar to accessing constituents in objects in Python. Indexing starts from 0, so the first constituent will have index of 0 and the second constituent would have an index of 1. Let's access the first constituent of array A in Python. 10 is the first constituent of object A here. Let's get the first and the third constituents and add them. The third constituent would have an index of 2 as it is n minus 1. As you can see, 10,010 is the sum of these two constituents in array A. Negative index, the last constituent in an array would have an index of minus 1. Let's do it in Python. 10,000 is the last element in array A here. Let's access constituents in two-dimensional array. We've created an array AB using these two arrays of values. Let's get the third constituent from the second dimension in AB. Here, the first argument represents dimension and the second argument is the index. Since we are trying to pull the third constituent from the second dimension here, the index would be 3 minus 1, that is 2. We've got 81, which is the third constituent in the second dimension of array AB. Slicing refers to extracting out constituents from an index to another index. For example, begin is to finish and begin is to finish is to pace. If begin is not there, it is considered to be 0. If finish is not there, it is considered the length of the array. And if pace is not mentioned, it is considered 1. Do an example in Python. In an array AC using the array function, we are trying to pull out constituents from index 1 to index 4 from array AC. Output considers the begin index and not the finish index. So index 1 actually represents the second constituent in Python, and it shows the second constituent onwards to the fourth constituent, which would be index 3. Let's slice from index 3 to the last constituent of array. We've created an array DC using the array function. Index 3 would imply constituent 4, which is 41 onward to 71. Let's create a new array BC using the array function. Let's slice from the start to index 5 of array BC. Since the start index is not given in this line of code, considered to be 0. Hence, it pulls out from first constituent 11 to fifth constituent, that is index 4, 51. The pace determines the nth number of constituent which should be extracted starting from 0. Let's slice every third constituent from index 1 to 7 in the array BC. Running this code of line gives 21 and 51 as it pulls out elements starting from the second constituent in the array and every third constituent thereafter before index 7. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on data analytics.